Hi, today I'm reviewing the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased all these products with my own money, so you know you can trust my opinion is what I honestly believe. So Clinique recently came out with a hydrating jelly, which I've reviewed, and I thought after reviewing that I should review some of their precursors to that, which are kind of sister products, which one of them is the gel, and the other one I've also reviewed is the original. But I thought I would review the gel as well. I saw on Sephora it's got like 3,300 reviews, so it's definitely very popular, one of the best sellers. And I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts based on my Sarah score scale. So my first criteria is packaging, and they've done a nice job with the packaging. It comes in multiple sizes, and all of those are pretty good. The largest size comes in a pump bottle, and it does a good job of protecting the product from exposure to light and air, which is a good thing. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured alcohol, which is also a good thing. My third criteria is fragrance, and this is fragrance-free. My fourth criteria is manufacturing location, and this is made in the U.S. The other one's made in Belgium, U.S., I don't know. Then my fifth criteria is ease of use, and it's very easy to use. In my opinion, the gel version is better than the original. This one absorbs more quickly. The original contains a lot of mineral oil and petroleum, and this one has a little bit better formula. It doesn't like sit on top of your skin as much. And I think the gel, they kind of say is more geared towards oily skin, but in my opinion, any form of skin, you're going to be better off going with the gel version than the original. Unless you have extremely dry skin, but very easy to use, has a light texture. I wouldn't necessarily call it a gel, but that's kind of what they went with. It's more of a lotiony texture, not as much of a gel texture, but that's okay. So definitely does a good job and absorbs rather quickly. My sixth criteria is antioxidants, and the one thing I should mention is this contains a lot of red number 2 and yellow number 1 and blue number 4 and different pigments because of the yellow color. It's not a natural yellow, but it does contain some antioxidants, not a ton. It's got caffeine in there, vitamin E, barley extract. So I've got a few antioxidants. They're definitely lighter on antioxidants and more focused on emollients, which is okay as long as you're using a good skincare routine that your skin gets all of its needs from. But more antioxidants than their original precursor, which is mineral oil, petroleum, things like that. So they've done a decent job with that, but still pretty weak on antioxidants, in my opinion. More focused on the emollients. So that's okay as long as you use other skincare products that contain a lot of good antioxidants and peptides and things like that. On to number 7, which is animal testing, and Clinique brand is not cruelty-free, which is unfortunate. Hopefully that will change. On to number 8, which is performance, and as long as you're using a good skincare, well-rounded routine, this has a good place in it, and it can perform well, just giving your skin some hydration, some emollients. As long as you're using a good skincare routine, which includes serums, peptides, emollients, antioxidants, things like that. So definitely use this as part of a good skincare routine, which in my opinion, their 3-step routine isn't the best one to go with. So just keep that in mind. You got to use other things than that, because I'll have to review that again. But, you know, they've got their basic face wash, then their toner lotion, which those are not the best toners. Yeah, you got to use other things. So anyway, but yeah, so definitely use this as part of a well-rounded routine. It will perform quite well. If you're just using this in and of itself, your skin is going to need exfoliants, things like that. So number 9, which is the price, and it's a decent price. It's $27 for the full size is 125 milliliters. And if you have a question, I didn't give the original product a thumb up on the price, even though it's the same price. That's because this is mineral oil and petroleum, basically, which you can get for like $2 anywhere else. This one's a little bit better formula, so it's not, the price is a little bit better because it's got some better basic ingredients in it. So that's why I've given them 2 different reviews on the same price. So, and then on to number 10, which is the It Factor. In my opinion, I didn't give this the It Factor. Clinique makes better moisturizers than this one. But if you're younger, just starting out in skincare, there's nothing wrong with starting to use this or using this with other products, but just this in and of itself is not very exciting. Had it included more antioxidants and good things, I probably would have given it the thumb up, but it's a basic product, but it lacks in a lot of what your skin needs. So using this in and of itself isn't going to be the best for your skin, but definitely use this. When you use this with a good routine of other serums and things, then it's going to be in its place that can provide your skin more emollients, more good things that it needs. It's basic, but better leaps and bounds than their original. So anyway, so this got a 7 out of 10, which is okay, but if you're looking to buy Clinique and looking for good products, their Moisture Surge line, in my opinion, is a little bit better than their original line. So, or their Smart Oil, that's a really good one too. So always worth checking out. But anyway, so normally I'd ask if you guys have tried this yet, and probably almost everybody has tried this at some point. Well, maybe not everybody, but a lot of people have tried this at some point. But if you have thoughts or anything on it, leave a comment. So, or if you've liked it specifically and use it, what else do you use in your routine? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already. I come with at least one new review every day. And check out nobsbeauty.net and the Amazon link below. Thank you so much, guys.